Hey there guys, I'm in central London and this evening I'm going to an Adobe Creative Cloud event. There's going to be a few people doing some talks and some general speakery things. Then they're going to be demoing some of their latest creations with some of their apps. And then the rest of the evening is just going to be kind of networking with some food and drinks. So I'm looking forward to every aspect of this. So let's go in, get registered and see what's going on inside. Alright.
Aside from the guest speakers, the main purpose of the Adobe event was to raise awareness of some of their mobile apps they've released this year and show off the seamless connection between mobile and desktop through Creative Cloud. The way they did this was actually pretty cool, with a unique setup that invited people to make a doodle of some sort on a sketchbook or notepad, have it scanned with the Adobe Capture App on an iPhone, which would then vectorize it and save it to the Creative Cloud library for further use on the desktop. I couldn't really think of a doodle to put on my bag, so I actually ended up just writing a quote that I find myself saying all the time. There's just this one thing I need to do. Honestly, I'm saying this most days, and is what keeps me up before going to bed, because there's always just one thing I need to do. From Photoshop, the custom designs were then placed into a template file with some further tweaks and adjustments made, and then sent to print over in the bag printing area. A few minutes later, you then receive your custom bag hot off the press. Nice.
So the Adobe Creative Cloud event is in full swing and we've had a couple of speakers already, one from Rufus, I forget his surname, sorry about that, and David Cousens going through some of their workflows and a bit of history on their work and stuff. There were a few technical issues, which never a great thing, but it's what happens. And yeah, the event's going well, and I've had a few beers, it's all great. One of the best things about this type of event is just the ability to go and meet loads of people. So a little bit later on there's going to be kind of some networking, and it's quite informal really. I mean, we've all had beers. But one of the things that is also pretty great about these sort of networking events is that you meet people from amazing companies. So of course Adobe are here, and I've just been speaking with the head of marketing, and you know, that's pretty cool. We can go and converse about all sorts of things creative and see what sort of partnerships can come about. So that's exciting, and you have to watch this space to see if anything comes of that. Anyway, I'm gonna head back in now, and we've got just a few more events just happening, and I'm not really sure what's gonna happen after that, but just play it by ear. I love these sort of events. They're amazing. So the Adobe Creative Cloud event is now drawing to a close, and there's been a couple more speakers, and I just kind of want to give a bit of a reflection on what these sort of events are really meant for. And the truth is that these events are for everyone. And as cliche as it sounds, honestly, if you're a creative professional, whether you're seasoned and you're retired, or whether you're a student and you're just starting out, the essential thing is that you need to go to particular events just to get inspired and to meet other people. And there's a quote from Craig Oldham, who was just giving a talk here, and he said, if there's nothing going in, there's nothing coming out. And that's so true. Like, you need to go to events like this just to see a different perspective from other people. Whether it's people that you meet in the audience or whether it's the people that are speaking, you just need to go and speak with other people, and you'll realize that no end your work will improve, and it's because things are going in. So make sure that when you're working around and you're observing things, you're taking it in, because then something can come out. And that's one of the main takeaways from today, and I love that quote. I'm going to use it pretty much forever now. I think it just sums up everything. It's so good. Well, that was quite a delightful evening, and I thoroughly enjoyed that. If you enjoyed this video, then make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content like this, and I will catch you in the next one. Thanks for watching, guys. See you later.
Hey, how's it going? My name's Joe Allam, I'm an independent creative, and today I've got some tips on Photoshop usage that I want to share with everyone. Now, Photoshop's a tool that I use every single day when I'm doing my design and photo work, and I'm always looking to find better and easier ways of doing things, especially when it makes it quicker.
I feel like I should also point out that it's very loud in this venue, so I found a tiny little area that I can speak to. Hopefully you can hear me, it's very echoey, and I hope it's okay.